Black Friday deal from Amazon. Ninja Pro food processor. The model number is BN650, and I believe this one is for Australia and New Zealand's model. I think that's what it says, but don't quote me, but I believe it is. So I'm buying this to replace the old one, which is already broken. I had that old one for about 10 years. Okay, this model includes a 2.5 liter bowl, 300 ml more than the old one. We have the lid and the pusher, the chopping blade, that one, and we have the dough blade, which is this one, and the slicing or grating disc, which is that one. Alright, so this is the manual. I believe this is the dough blade, and that is the bowl and the lid. So the bowl, the lid, and I think this one is the pusher. The slicing dish, and this one is the machine. Very straightforward. And inside the bowl we have the chopping blade. Okay, the bowl have lock and anti-clockwise to open it. The chopping blade. This is the dough blade. This one is the slicing dish. Possible this side up for slicing. Okay, I think this one is for grating, and this one is for slicing. I think that's how it is for slicing or grating. Easy. Okay, now let me switch it on. Okay. Block. Let me get a closer look. Press this one to switch it on. So all the option is blinking. So let's say I want to make a puree. Okay, let me switch it off again. There's a tiny clip here. So that tiny things need to go onto this, so it can clip. So it can clip on. So let me zoom out. So I was wrong. I thought this need to go onto that, but there is a black pin here, needs to go onto this, so it can clip on, and you can hear the click sound. There you go. Turn this back on. So now it's not blinking. I think the blinking is just to show you that you're not doing it right. So let's see. I use the dough blade and try to do a mix. Okay, so they have low or high. Alright, so there's an option chop, puree, slice, mix, and this is just simply low speed. And this is high speed. And pulse. Pulse, just pressing with your finger. Okay, now we're going to put this blender into testing. We're going to make an Indonesian meatballs. We are using a kilo of minced beef and full of ice. Okay, this video is not about showing you how to make an Indonesian meatballs, but this is about to see how strong this blender is. Oh, why is full already?
Harusnya kan 500. Ini berapa?
This is supposed to be 2.5 liter.
Coba lo dulu.
Okay. Okay, another half kilo into the mix.
Cukupnya nih.
It should be, because the old one is only 1.8. So it's crunching the ice now. Now mixing the flour. Okay, she goes all in with the flour. Maybe use the high. Okay, it forms a nice paste. Is it better than the last one? Or about the same?
Soalnya itunya esnya itu ya, semuanya tercampur ya. Dulu kan enggak, dulu masih ada bongkah-bongkahan esnya gitu.
Okay, so this one is better in crushing the ice.
Ya karena si blade-nya itu sampai ke atas ini.
Okay.
You know.
This one have 4 blades.
Ya, kalau before itu kan blade-nya cuma di bawah kan.
Okay, so can we turn this one off? This blender has formed a nice paste, and now we're going to make it. But I'm going to stop this video. I'm just showing you how good this blender. So the verdict from my wife is it is better than our old blender because it has 4 blades compared to the old one. We only have 2 blades. Again, don't forget to like this video and consider to subscribe to my channel. Until then, see you next time. Bye. Okay, everything has been done. Now, we're putting this into the dishwasher. As it said, it is safe to be washed inside the dishwasher. Okay, let's start from the lid. There are no scratches. Very, very good. The mixing bowl, I don't see any scratches. There are no scratches on the mixing bowl. And the blade also has no scratches. So very happy. Very, very happy.